Here's a quick step-by-step guide showing you how to change your Amazon language and country settings. On your computer browser, go to Amazon.com and sign into your account. At the top of the page, look for the small flag icon next to the search bar. Click it, and you'll see all available languages for your region. Select the language you want, such as English, Spanish, or Portuguese. After choosing, Amazon will automatically refresh and show the site in your selected language. Right below the language section, you'll see a link that says Change Country at Region. Click on it, and Amazon will take you to a settings page called Country Region Settings. Here, click Change, and from the drop-down menu, select the country you want to switch to. For example, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, India, Japan, and more. Once selected, click Update. Amazon will then redirect you to that country's marketplace, such as Amazon.key or Amazon.co.uk. Keep in mind, changing your Amazon country affects available products, shipping options, and prices. Some items may not ship to your new region. After the page reloads, make sure the flag icon and marketplace domain match the country you selected. You're now browsing Amazon in your new language and region. And that's how you quickly change your Amazon language and country settings.